Here's the deal. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, retirement's not a distant dream. It's knocking. No plan, you're risking a broke future, working till you drop. I'm diving deep into why you need to act now and giving you 10 no BS steps to retire rich in 2025. Smash that subscribe button and let's lock in your golden years. Mini-hook. Think retirement's far off? You're wrong. In your 20s, retirement's a joke. You're hustling, raising kids, maybe chasing likes on Instagram. But now, your 401k's at 50K, not one mem. Vanguard's 2025 data, median 401k for 55-64 is $80,000, barely 5 years of expenses. My mom ignored this at 50. She's still working at 68. Clip this. Plan now or regret it forever. Comment, reality for my wake-up call. Mini-hook. Your retirement budget's a mess? Fix it. No paycheck in retirement means you better know your spending. Travel, dining out, visiting grandkids, it adds up. Fidelity says a 65-year-old couple needs $325,000 for healthcare alone. No mortgage? Great, but taxes, utilities, and repairs still hit $15K a year. I helped my uncle budget. He cut $5K in waste. Clip this. Nail your budget or go broke. Comment budget for my free tracker. Mini-hook. Healthcare costs killing you? HSAs to the rescue. Healthcare's a budget destroyer. Medicare skips dental, vision, and long-term care. Enter HSAs. Save $4,150 individual or $8,300 family in 2025, tax-free. Over 55? Add $1,000 catch-up. I stashed $3,000 last year, saved $900 in taxes. Clip this. HSAs are your healthcare lifeline. Comment, HSA for my setup guide. Mini-hook. 4% withdrawal rule outdated? Here's the truth. The 4% rule, withdraw 4% of savings yearly, comes from Bengen's 1994 study. Need $80K a year? Save $2. But retiring at 60 with a 90s lifespan? Try 3.8% per Morningstar. At 70? Maybe 5%. My friend pulled 6% and ran out by 82. Clip this. Get withdrawals right or lose everything. Comment, withdraw for my calculator link. Mini-hook. Social Security your plan? Good luck. Social Security's real. Check your benefit at ssa.gov. Average 2025 payout? $1,920 a month. That's not even rent in most cities. Relying on it alone is a ramen diet. Add 401k's, IRAs, or a rental property. I know a guy who bought a duplex, pays $2K a month. Clip this. Social Security's not enough. Diversify. Comment SS for my income hacks. Mini-hook. Portfolio too wild? Tame it now. Your 30s were for crypto gambles. Now? A market crash shouldn't ruin your sleep. Shift to bonds or index funds with Wealthfront. I moved 40% to bonds at 52. Stress gone. Keep 1 to 2 years' expenses in SoFi's 4.5% savings account. Clip this. Balance your investments or crash hard. Comment portfolio for my rebalancing guide. Mini-hook. Long-term care? You're probably gonna need it. HHS says 70% of 65-year-olds need long-term care. $62,000 a year for assisted living, per Genworth. Medicaid's for low income. Others need insurance. My aunt's care ate $90K a year. Savings wiped out. Buy long-term care insurance by 60 to save big. Clip this. Plan for care or lose your nest egg. Comment care for my insurance tips. Mini-hook. No will? You're setting up family drama. No will? Your kids could fight over your assets, torching relationships. Online wills via Rocket Lawyer run $160-$650. Lawyers charge $350-$1,300. I wrote mine at 48, 1 hour, done. It's not grim, it's peace of mind. Clip this. Write a will, save your family pain. Comment will for my DIY will guide. Mini-hook. Over 50? Catch-up contributions are gold. Past 50? IRS gives you a savings boost. $7,500 extra to 401k's, $30,500 total, and $1,000 to HSAs in 2025. I maxed my 401k catch-up, added $12K last year. Consult on clarity.fm to fund it. Clip this. Catch up now, retire loaded. Comment, catch up for my saving strategies. Mini-hook. Spending like you're young? Stop. Retirement's not for TikTok flexing. Fed says 63% of adults can't cover a $400 emergency. Cut dining out, downsize your car, skip that 6K cruise. I ditched $300 a month in subscriptions, Straight to my IRA. Clip this. Spend less, retire rich. Comment, spend, if you're cutting back. Let's be real. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, time's not your friend. Your 401k's too small, healthcare's a fortune, and working forever isn't a plan. Health fades. Use Wealthfront for investing, SoFi for savings, Rocket Lawyer for wills. My dad skipped this at 55, he's bagging groceries at 72. Don't repeat that mistake. Grab my free 2025 retirement planner in the description. Here's your 2025 retirement roadmap. 1 budget every penny, Mint tracks it all. 2 max out HSAs 450 tax-free for medical. 3 pick the right withdrawal rate, 3.8% for safety. 4 diversify beyond Social Security, IRAs, rentals. 5 rebalance to safer investments, more bonds. 6 get long-term care insurance, protect your savings. 7 write a will, don't leave chaos. 8 use catch-up contributions, $7,500 to 401k. 9 slash spending, cancel unused subscriptions. 10 start today, every month matters. This isn't just a plan, it's your path to freedom. Retirement's about thriving, not surviving. Travel the world, spoil your grandkids, live without stress. But you've got to act now. Every dollar saved, every investment tweaked, every plan made builds the future you deserve. Don't let procrastination steal your golden years. If this hit home, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 money hacks. Grab my free 2025 retirement planner in the description. It's your retirement lifeline. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest retirement fear? Let's tackle it together. See you in the next one.